nating balikan yung buhay natin dati. Can we just close our eyes and bow your heads? Just meditate yung buhay mo nung wala ka sa Diyos. And then that moment, when the grace of God appeared to you, natagpuan ka ni Lord. Nakilala mo, narinig mo yung mabuting balita na mayroong tagapagligtas na pwede kanyang baguhin. He is the builder of our life. And His name is Jesus. And look at now, open your eyes, look at your life now. Saan ka na dinala ng Diyos? Eh, di ba palakpakan natin ang Lord? Saan mabuti ba ang Lord sa buhay mo? Naalala mo ba kung saan ka nagsimula? Yung itsura mo na walang future. Yung kala mo, poging-pogi ka sa sarili mo, gandang-ganda ka, kala mo ang ganda ng buhay mo, but when you met God, your life is a trash garbage. And now, the Lord has He's so good to you. He has blessed you, He has saved you, He has delivered you. Ginawa ng Lord lahat yun sa buhay mo.